Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Windows updates applied, and you're signed in with admin rights. Open GeForce Experience now. If it's not installed, download and install it, then sign in. Once done, make sure games and heavy apps are closed to avoid conflicts during installation. This reduces errors and frees GPU memory. You're ready to move to the driver section, where GeForce locates updates automatically. Follow on-screen prompts and keep an eye on. You now go to the Drivers tab and click Check for updates so GeForce scans your hardware. When a new driver appears, pick Express for a quick install or Custom if you want to select components, and enable Clean Install to remove old profiles. During download, monitor the progress. You can pause and resume if your network fluctuates. Make sure your system stays awake and antivirus won't block the installer. This preserves settings you want or resets them when necessary. You run the installer and follow prompts. Accept licenses and choose the options you selected earlier. Let the installer complete and reboot when requested so kernel drivers load cleanly. After reboot, open GeForce Experience or Device Manager to confirm the new driver version and test a game to verify stability. If installation fails, retry using Custom with Clean Install or roll back to the previous driver in Device Manager. This fixes conflicts caused by corrupted files or driver mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.